Everyone, here is the boys team, Group A. The leader is Avino Rai, and the Group B, Ankit Yadav. They have to guide their teams. We have to start the conversation in English. Please, we appreciate these students. Okay, let's start, beta.
How education is important in our life?
Education is important in our life because without education we cannot achieve in our aim to life. What does time is important in our life?
Yes, time is important in our life. Without time, we cannot
Achieve anything.
achieve anything.
Okay, let's
Just
do.
like study and extra work.
Okay.
That's how many time we study in our life.
This time is learning for.
Okay, Saksham, you can do it. Yeah.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
Okay, Sujal, next.
Is education only for young? No education for everyone. Anyone can need education. No education for everyone. Anyone can study and make educated. What is the other name of time? The other name of time is tense.
Who is the Education Minister of India? Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan is the present Education Minister of India. How many types of tense? There are 3 types of tense: past tense, present tense, future tense. Do you use internet to learn?
Yes, I use internet to learn. This is best source of learning. Who discover time?
Babylonians and Egyptians discover time.
Okay.
What's your learning style?
My learning study style is I with timetable and after 2 hours it take 10 is or minutes break. Who is each year?
Each calendar is exactly 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds.
Why do we need a clock and calendar?
We need clock and calendar for measuring the time. Who is your encryptions?
My person is many person, but the best is my class teacher. She inspired me for study. Without she cannot stand at the place.
Thank you. Okay.
Who changed the world with education?
Nelson Mandela changed the world with education. The time is precious or not?
No, the time is very precious.
Yes, the time is precious for everyone. Okay.
Those study my keyboard.
Those study can be brave and hard in.
Okay, look at these students. These are class 7th student and doing a small effort to conversation each other in English. We have to appreciate these things. Okay, let's start, Buta.
Sweta, can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What do you mean by human empowerment?
Human empowerment means to ensure equal right to women.
Thank you. Same question for you.
Human empowerment means to ensure equal right to women.
I think same question for you. Also,
Human empowerment means to
You have to support her.
ensure
Okay, Anjali, you can do it.
equal right to
women.
Very good. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What is important of human empowerment?
Empowerment of women helps them to get their own discuss relation to life and family.
Thank you. What I can ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What do you mean by promote of human empowerment?
Women empowerment promotes gender inequalities in the society.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
What do you means advantage of human empowerment?
The main advantage of human involvement is the overall development of society is also changed slowly, more and more know of human getting our equality education, but the truth. Thank you.
Can I ask you a question, Janvi?
Yes.
What is necessary for human empowerment in our society?
Human empowerment is necessary for reducing the gender equality and abolish concept of patriarchy.
Thank you for giving me answer.
Can I ask you a question?
Sorry, you can wait for asking me. Shreyasi, I can ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What makes you a strong woman?
The strong woman stand up to herself. She is not shares her ideas and thoughts and things. She is not afraid to her. She is not afraid to
Anyone.
her thoughts to anyone.
It's okay.
Anamika, can I ask one question?
Yes, you can ask me one question.
What is the basic step of human?
The basic step of human empowerment is give to them the right to live.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, why not? Of course.
What is acts of human empowerment?
The human empowerment refer to the acts of human empowering women to take personally decision.
Okay, let's thank you.
So thank you.
Come back, fast. Sundaram,
Thank you.